So guys, we ordered on the chart. So right now guys, I want to show you how I was able to make 600 US dollars from USD CAD. Remember guys, I took this trade with my team. So I'll have to delete everything guys, so that you can be able to learn how I got this trade. So as you can see guys, I've been looking on daily time frame, and I saw this trend. Let me show you what I saw. I saw this trend. As you can see the trend. So this is how I do it. Remember guys, this strategy I'm about to show you, this strategies guys is not it was not easy for me to be on these strategies. Took me a long journey to arrive at the point where I'm at today. Remember guys, I've been on industry for 8 years. So I passed many challenges up to the point where I'm at today. So there's no shortcut. You have to make sure you learn how to trade in a light way from the best traders. You understand? So as you can see guys, this is daily time frame. Remember guys, I don't send my videos guys. I do not send my videos. Some people, they text me telling me like, yo Juba, I bought your video, but hey guys, I do not send my videos, like for real. I do not send my videos. Everything is free. So you can just watch my videos for free. Nothing, I charge nothing. So this is how I got this trade. As you can see guys, I'm on daily time frame. We can see that I saw this trade. The market has been moving. The market has been moving high lows. As you can see, high lows. This is what I always pay attention at. I need the market which is moving on, this kind of movement. This is the market which is easy to trade. If you're new to the if you're new on trading business, now you already know what we pay attention at. You don't need that market which is complicated. You need the market that is clear to see and understand. You know what I'm saying? So after I saw that the market is moving on high and high lows, all right, so I've got here, you can see I've got my support. If I say I've got my support here, and I'm gonna clone this so that I can have resistance as well. And you can see that here we've got resistance, right? We've got resistance as well. So we were trying to trade this market, and I had to switch on 4-hour time frame, but at the same time I can see these high highs, and high lows. I need to put some, this might be take profit, and this one, it might be also another take profit, and another one which is this one. The market might move all the way to this point over here. So I do this so that I won't forget, because after I switch on a low time frame, I'm not gonna be able to see all this, all these stretches. So I have to switch on 4-hour time frame just to have a good picture and clear picture. 4-hour time frame, we can see that on 4-hour time frame, we can see that the market is been, went to this point right here. Give us drop, retest, drop, retest, drop, all the way to this point over here. We got a big rejection, which is this one, and this is beautiful. We call this fake out, and then after that I got pullback all the way to this point right here. You understand? And after that, we're gonna put our trend line so that we can see what the market trying to create. So of course, this is what I'm gonna do. Remember guys, we're using trend line strategy. Damn, I took off everything. but anyways, I still can recover. I still can recover them. All right. So I just wanted to delete this one, only this one. All right, only this one. Okay. So now I'm gonna put my trend line. I'm gonna put my trend line so that I can be able to understand what the market has been trying to create. You know what I'm saying? Remember, guys, I already make money from this market, even though it's giving the pullback, but I already make money from this market. As we speak, I already make 600 bucks. I just want to show you how I got this trade. You know what I'm saying? So remember, guys, the time I did this, the market was just still around this area here. The market was just still around this area here. I'm just trying to show you how I find this market. You know what I'm saying? So, and then after that, I can see that the market gave us the pullback. After pullback, gave us the breakout, which was this one. And I say, gave us the breakout which was this one. And after the breakout, guys, we know that the markets always move so high, but we always expecting some pullback, which I find the market at this point here, and this was my pullback. You know, I say I counted as a pullback, and my mindset told me that the market is gonna move all the way to this point over here. So guess what I did? Let me show you what I did. After I saw that, I did this. I waited for the pullback to get done around this area here. After the pullback was done, you can see that we got this beautiful rejections candlesticks around this area. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, I waited for the pullback to get done, to get done. And after the pullback got done, I got these beautiful candlesticks like rejections. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, let me show you. After that, I pulled up my stop loss and my target. You know what I'm saying? My stop loss and my target was this. My stop loss was around this area right here. Understand? And then my TP1 was this one here. Right? TP2 was this one right here. Right? TP3 was this one right here, as we saw on daily time frame. So this is the reason why, guys, I said I always put this on higher time frame so that I can be able to have a good picture on low time frame. And then we got in here, me and my team. That is the reason why, guys, I said that don't miss my free Telegram group, because in a free Telegram group, guys, I give all these trades. You know what I'm saying? Before I jump into this trade, I first send it the chart on a free Telegram group just to show my team what we expecting from this trade right here. So don't miss my free Telegram group, because I know how it feels. You know what I'm saying? When I started this journey, I wanted even somebody which I can just see his chart. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't have one. So I think it's a good support when I'm supporting you by giving you a free chart which you can be able to see how I analyze the market and how I get into the market. So, and then we entered, you know, you can see the stop loss was just not too much. The stop loss was just how many pips? 28 pips. Actually, this is what I do: 35 pips. Accept this high like this gold and Nasdaq. This is the only ones which they always have big spread. So you can see that after that we hit TP1 with the 60 pips, 60 pips, and I was expecting to kill like 120 pips with the TP2, and TP3 was gonna be something about almost 150 pips, as you can see. But so far, guys, we already got in. We already we already out with the TP1, and you can see now the market is giving up the is giving out the pullback. So which means this might be a pullback, say, because guys, the market is moving high lows. This might be high low, so then the market can be able to move all the way over here. But as we speak, guys, I'm out with the TP1. Say I'm out with the TP1. I will make a video, guys, to show you how I trade TP1 and TP2 and TP3, because this is something else which you don't want to miss. You understand? So this is how I got $600 from just this TP1. So if the information that I gave to you guys does make sense, please like the video and subscribe to this channel here. And I want to show you guys how I was able to in the trade with NSDCHF. I want to show you how I got in NSDCHF as well, as I promised, guys, and the reason why I got this trade. NSDCHF, let's check this one out. And NSDCHF is this one right here. Now you can see, guys, NSDCHF, the reason, you always supposed to have a reason why you're taking the trade. So this is the reason why I've took this trade. You can see by yourself the reason why I took this trade. You can see that it's moving on support and resistance. As you can see here, support and resistance. So support and resistance, you can see that the market started from this area here. We got a pullback to the trend line, continuation, and pullback. I didn't find the market around this area, which was not around the market. We got a continuation, pullback, and continuation. I just found the market around this area right here. So this is where we got in, and this is our stop loss right here, and our first take profit, guys, you can see already hit. And as you can see, guys, the profit we're in at the moment, which is this one. So right now we're expecting to move all the way to this point right here. So guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I showed you guys everything on how I look at the market. I show you on how I got to the market and the reason why I took the trade. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you enjoyed this kind of videos, please make sure leave the comment below so that I can do more for you by supporting your journey. See you guys on the second one. Make sure you do the right things. Make sure you support the channel. Peace out.